Greetings, music students. It's Ms. Ruth here again, volunteering for the public schools in Oakland, California. So continuing our discussion of changing that bottom number of the time signature, what if we change it to an 8? So just reviewing, the top number tells you how many beats we have in a measure. The bottom number tells you which kind of note gets 1 beat. So here we have 4 beats in a measure. The quarter note receives 1 beat. Over here, we have 6 beats in the measure, and the 8th note receives 1 beat. So we used to count the quarters, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're counting the 8s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we kind of just lost this part of the pie, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if I were to count the 8th notes. So there you see the difference. Now when you use 6/8 time, which is a very usual use of the 8th note being the beat, having 6 counts, very common, so you need to know about it. You would get this kind of sound: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get this sort of galloping rhythm, galloping, 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 which is totally different than 1, 2, 3, 4, and a nice addition to our repertoire. So here's another example of 6/8 time, which may be familiar to you. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the Eensy Weensy Spider is a good example of 6/8 time. Of course, logically, you might ask, like you did with the change from 4/4 to 2/2, well, why don't we just count the 3 quarter notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and, without bothering to change to 6/8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so if I change this to 3/4 time, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and, I would get this. It's going to sound sort of the same, but it's not going to feel the same. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and, I can't even do it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So you can tell that the feeling of that when you're trying to count it in 3/4 instead of 6/8 doesn't really work. So if I just change it to 6/8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it divides itself much more naturally. So we really need the 8th note to be the beat. And 6/8 time is a very natural thing to do. Keep that in mind. Bye.